Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove everything from the sink and pull out the drain basket so you can access edges. Sprinkle baking soda liberally over stains, then spray or pour white vinegar to create fizz. This lifts grime. While that works, mix warm water and a few drops of mild dish soap to rinse away loose debris. Use a soft, non-abrasive pad to scrub in the direction of the grain. Once done, rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth to assess damage. Next, tackle tough stains and scratches. Apply a thicker baking soda paste and let it sit for 10 minutes so it penetrates. You should rub with the grain, not across it, because that prevents new micro scratches. For shallow scratches, use a small amount of non-gel metal polish. Work it in with light pressure, following the grain. Once the polish has worked in, switch to a clean microfiber and buff in circular motions. Then finish by aligning strokes with the grain. To finish, rinse all residue and dry the sink completely. Moisture traps particles and dulls the finish. Put a small amount of mineral oil on a cloth and wipe in the direction of the grain to protect and enhance shine. Reinstall the drain assembly and run water to confirm seals and flow. If you still see stains, repeat the paste treatment. If scratches remain deep or the finish is pitted, stop and consult a professional refinisher to avoid worsening the damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.